This is my first vlog, kauna-unahang vlog, at wala naman sigurong masama kung makikiuso, diba? So, as an OFW, nasa sa malayong pamilya, minsan nababagot ka, wala kang makausap. So, I think isa tong way na mailabas mo yung sa loobin mo araw-araw. And alam ko namang na marami kayong nakikinig kahit sa mga napakawalang kwentang bagay na tungkol sa akin, kung hindi kayo interesado. Pero I know na marami din makaka-relate sa buhay ng isang OFW na gaya ko. So I just want to start this vlog introducing myself. I'm a nurse here in UAE for already 10 years. And nandito rin po yung hobby ko. And wala pa kaming babies, so I just want to introduce you also our fur baby, and the name is Loopy Girl. Loopy Girl is already 8 months old, and she's so cute. And later, guys, I'll show you many videos about me, about her, and siguro daily vlogs to know more about me dun sa mga interesado. And kung hindi naman kayo interesado, please like and share, and please subscribe para makatulong din sa akin na nangangarap din gaya ng ibang vloggers. Thank you!